If you're tired of just hoping things will get better, but still want to change your life, then it's time to learn how to manifest your desires. Manifestation isn't magic, it's mindset. Here's the real deal. When you focus your thoughts, believe in your goals, and take inspired action, you set powerful things in motion. First up, get crystal clear about what you want. Be specific. Don't just say, I want more money. Say, I want an extra $500 a month. The universe loves details. Next, visualize it. Picture yourself already living your dream. Feel the happiness, the excitement, the confidence. The more real it feels in your mind, the closer it gets to reality. Now here's the game changer: act as if it's already yours. Say yes to opportunities, make choices that align with your desires, and celebrate every tiny win along the way. Don't forget gratitude. Thank the universe for the things you have and the things you're about to receive. Gratitude is like rocket fuel for manifestation. And yeah, setbacks will happen. That's normal. Just refocus, remind yourself of your goals, and keep moving forward. So, want to manifest your desires? Get clear, visualize, act, and stay grateful. The universe is listening. So what are you asking for today?